Hello everyone, welcome to CS Academy. Today I am going to show you how to insert data into the MySQL database in Python. Let's open Python IDE. In the last video, I showed you how to connect the MySQL database in Python. Here I wrote the code to connect the database. First, I imported the MySQL connector module. Then, inside the try block, I wrote some lines of code to connect the database. First, I initialized one variable host by the value localhost because MySQL database is reside in same PC. So I giving the localhost, and then I gave port number as 3306 because MySQL server is running on the 3306 port. And then MySQL Workbench username is root and password I gave as root. And I am connecting the student data database. This is the database name. Then I gave the one print statement here. Then I wrote one line of code to connect the database. Inside the MySQL connector module, there is a one method called connect. This method will connect the database. It takes 5 parameters. One is host, port number, user, password and database name. And this will return one connection object. I am collecting that into the mycon variable. Then I wrote one print statement to get a confirmation message. If this line executes successfully, then this line get executed. Then we get to know that database connection is successful. After that I gave one except block. Inside this I wrote one print statement. If any exception is occurred while connecting the database, then this except block will catch the exception and it will print the what is the cost for the exception. And I gave one finally block. Here I am closing the connection and then I am giving one print statement. I connected to this student data. Here I have one table called student. Inside this student table, I have two columns, student ID and student name. Here I have 7 student data. Now I will insert one more data into this table. Let's write the code to insert the data. In Python, we need to write the SQL query inside the triple quote. Insert into table name we need to give. Here we need to write the table name. We need to insert the table name inside this quote. Then we need to mention the column name. Column name also we need to write into this quote itself. Column name is student ID and student name. Values, whatever the values we need to insert, that we need to mention here. I am giving the ID as 101 and the name is Kumar. We need to give the name inside the single quote itself. To insert the data into the table, we need one cursor object. We can get the cursor object using the connection object mycon dot cursor. This will give one cursor object. We need to store that into the one variable. I will give variable name as my cursor. Now we got the cursor object. Using this cursor object, I need to execute the query. My cursor dot execute query we need to give here. After this executing the query, we need to commit the transaction. Mycon dot commit. Now I will give one print statement to get the confirmation message. If this line get execute properly, we will commit the transaction, then it will store the data into the database. After that this line get executed. Now I done with writing the code to insert the data into the table. First we need to write the query here. After that I wrote the code to get the cursor object mycon.cursor. Then I stored that cursor object into the one variable. Using that cursor object, I executed the query. After that, I committed the transaction. Then I gave one print statement. Let's save this code. Now I will run this. See, here we got the output. First this print statement get executed here. Then this connection code get executed successfully. After that, this print statement also get executed. See here, connection is successful to the database student data. Then after this insertion query also get executed properly, so I got one row got inserted. Then after that all transaction, I close the connection. Print statement get executing here. Database connection is closed. Now check into the database whether the data is inserted or not. I will refresh here. Here itself I will check. See, before we have only 7 datas till 7 student ID we have the data. Now I inserted 101 and name has Kumar. Now I will insert one more data. I gave name as Sachin. Save this. Run. See, we got the output. Let's see inside the table. Refresh and check here. See, now I gave another ID 102 and name as Sachin. That also get inserted into the table. Now I done with inserting data into the table. In the next video, I will show you how to read the data from the table and printing that into the console. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.